My name is Eliza. I work as a chef.
My name's Lauren. I'm a kitchen manager.
Hello children, I'm McMullen kitchen assistant.
What I enjoy about my job is every day is different.
It's my life, it's my passion.
I love my team.
I choose a McMullen because it's a family business.
Which in turn makes us feel like part of their family.
Great opportunity for me. I'm now kitchen assistant, but later I'm chef. When I started, I completed the bronze awards.
And then I got the opportunity to do a silver course.
I'm currently doing my gold training. Somebody said to me, back then, in 9 years' time, you'll be kitchen manager, chef of the year. I'd have laughed at them, and here I am. My daily routine starts with taking in deliveries, checking to make sure everything's there, placing any orders, opening checklists, temperature checks, checking the rota. As kitchen manager, I work closely with my team, which includes training and delegating.
In the morning, I check the salt levels and chemical in the dishwasher. I put the dishwasher back together, ensuring everything is ready.
First thing in the morning when I come in the kitchen, I have to record fridge and freeze temperature. And then I check with the general manager about the total bookings. And then from there, we know that how much we have to do a prep.
During service, I'm always checking to make sure everybody's sticking to standards. I also run the line, which means I'm checking presentation and the temperature of everything before it goes out.
During service, I help the chef. I keep everything going.
My main responsibilities during the service is to run the section. If I see my other chefs need a hand, need a support, so I have to go and give her a full hand to get the tickets out as soon as possible.
At the end of the shift, I put everything back and clean all the work surfaces. I then take apart the dishwasher and clean it. Finally, I sweep and mop the floor.
After my shift, I have to close down my section. We have to check the labels for the date outs, make sure that all foods are wrapped up in our cling film.
I go around and check, make sure all the food's correctly labelled and wrapped, everything's switched off. And then I always thank everybody for their hard work and say goodnight. My job can be very challenging. You never know what's going to happen on a daily basis, how many people are going to walk in the door.
When we've done the services, we feel happy and we think that we did it.
Very busy, but I love this job.
I love my job. I love the challenges I face every day, and I get to do what I love on a daily basis.